Here I have HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, open settings, then go to the sounds and vibration, and here you have your Do Not Disturb mode. You can switch it here. You can also set a schedule for it here. You can add your own schedule, and there's also allow interruptions. It could be calls from everyone, from contacts only, from favorite contact. The same goes for messages, and also you can set repeated callers. When enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. And you can also switch to Not Disturb mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.